Meow.
Let me out.
He's saying ow. Ow.
Ow.
That's my head. That's my head.
I need to rip it out. Now I'm trying to break the. You take a little piece by piece and see. There he is.
Oh,
Is he? Yep. Going home. Just a little bit. Let me take the tip from the whole thing.
Oh, wow, man.
Just a little bit. Don't fall.